Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20978CD. Very nice operating 2013 Hyster N35ZR-16.5. It's a very nice unit. Battery checked out good. It's a 3,500 pound. This unit is a reach, single reach. Has a triple mast with 119 inches lowered and 272 inches raised. Wade's going to take it all the way up for us. This unit does have side shift, 42-inch pallet forks, load backrest. It's been serviced, new paint job, ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at betterforklift.com.